Fishkin-Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin. When it comes to designing a better drone controller, who better than a physician astronaut with 5 space shuttle flights and 7 spacewalks to his credit? Scott Parazynski has done that, summited Mount Everest, is an avid rock climber, and has written a terrific chronicle of those adventures titled The Sky Below. About that drone controller, the FT Aviator, he built it with his startup Fluidity Technologies. It features a joystick with one-handed control of 6 degrees of motion and unique tactile feedback.
And the same technology actually one day could actually power and control surgical robots. This is a really powerful way to intuitively move through three-dimensional space.
Parazynski spent 17 years with NASA and was known as an innovator there. You can find the FT Aviator at fluidity.tech. You can find us at tactile.com. I'm Fred Fishkin. Now this. Innovation. Hi, I'm Fred Fishkin, and I've been covering consumer technology for a long time, and it takes a lot to impress me. That's why I'm excited to tell you about the latest way to enjoy cooking in the great outdoors from my friend Patrick Sherwin and his great team at GoSun Stove. What if you could harness the sun to cook your meals anywhere you go, day or night? The GoSun Fusion arrives this summer using the company's tried and true reflectors and a solar vacuum tube to get you cooking without the mess of charcoal, heavy propane tanks, or smoke. And with an optional solar panel and battery storage, and the ability to plug in at home or on the road, you really can use the GoSun Fusion to cook anytime and anywhere. Want to learn more? Head to gosun.co and use the code TEXTINATION to save 10%. That's gosun.co.